Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Today we were going to do a unboxing video, but whenever I was doing the unboxing video, my memory ended up being full on my phone, so I didn't record everything I was wanting to. So we are redoing the video kind of, and instead of doing the unboxing, I'm just going to show you what all I pulled out of the box. So basically, back about a year, 2 years ago, I found out that there is such thing as Colorado Lapis Lazuli, and it comes from the North Italian mountain near Crested Butte. The mine is closed, and I think the new mine name is like the Anderson mine, I believe. But Lapis Lazuli is only found 4 places around the world, which is Afghanistan, Siberia, and Chile, and then here in Colorado. And I've been wanting some pieces, and I got onto Facebook and asked the rock hounding group if anyone has any rough specimens they would like to trade me. One person messaged me back, and he was out hiking and found some outside of the claim area, and he decided to send me some. It's low grade, but the Blue Wrinkle Colorado Lapis is gem quality. So there's a few. He sent me 2 large pieces. Let me bring some water over here real quick. So in these pieces, there are a couple areas, like this area has some nice blue tone. Where's my flashlight at? That's not really helping. And just dip it in the water. And this area has some nice vibrant blues in it, and the camera isn't really doing the justice. You can kind of see it though, here and then there, and then there's some lower quality in this area, and it goes up in this area. So I'm thinking about doing a cutting video in the near future, and we will cut into these 2 larger pieces. And see if we can find some more of that nice vibrant blue, and then do a cabochon for my personal collection, and then the other pieces will just be shelf pieces. There's this one right here. There's a lot of pyrite through it, which is expected with lapis. So dip that in the water. Nice, beautiful little vein right there. So I'll probably end up cutting this off as a face, and then cutting this little piece off and cap this part. But that is really beautiful, and hopefully we find some more on the inside of this. There's another area right there that has some of that really nice blue. Let's try the flashlight again. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see it. That copper tone is pyrite in there, and then here is this side underneath the light. And while I have the light perfectly right here, we're just going to go ahead and show this. See the blue? Okay, and while we have these out, I'm just going to hit it with a black light so you guys can see this. I'm using the UV Beast 365 NM long wave, and if you guys are interested in picking up a UV Beast, I will have the website and Amazon storefront link in the description. If you purchase one and like it and want to leave a review, make sure you say RHA recommended this product. It'll help my sponsorship out. So there's the orange that you normally see with lapis. Really beautiful. And here's the larger piece under the black light. That's super cool. And then he sent 3 other pieces, or not 3, 5 other smaller pieces, and we're just gonna get these wet real quick. flashlight. There you go. This one was a higher quality piece. Really beautiful blue tones, and look at that nice little vein right there. Super beautiful. There's that one. And the last one is this one. And so that is the lapis, and I will be doing a few future videos cutting and polishing cabochons with that material. He also sent me some purple fluorite that he found around the Crested Butte area, or Italian Mountain area. There's one piece, very beautiful. Not right now, coconut, move. Sorry, my cat was trying to drink the water I was dipping the rocks in. Cannot drink that water. There's that piece. This piece right here is really cool. There's a little chunk of, I got cat hair on my hands now. A little chunk of malachite in that tip right there. You see that? That hair is driving me crazy. That's a super cool piece. Very beautiful. And here's another one, a little bit more malachite right there. There's a little phantom you can see inside that point or corner. And then this little piece. Then he also found this one right here. And so these right here are not UV reactive, but this larger piece is. So we're gonna switch over to the UV Beast, and you can see that vibrant blue, which is super beautiful. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and look forward to seeing future content where we cut these bad boys open, and look for more of that lapis. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some awesome rocks, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.